So this is hopefully going to be one of the promo images for Professional Beauty North, which is held in Manchester every autumn. And the theme that's been given for, is it character makeup, I think, is that competition, the WarPaint Championships, is Christmas. And I don't really like happy, schmaltzy, you know, holly berries and kisses and stuff. And my favourite Christmas film is actually Nightmare Before Christmas, but I've painted that twice last year already in different ways, and I wanted to just close your eyes gently for me, thank you. I wanted to do something a bit different, so I had a bit of a Google, and one that I've not painted or actually seen, I must see the film, I've heard the old folk tales, is the Krampus, the St. Nick's shadow. So St. Nick, in a lot of EU cultures, St. Nick comes and gives all the good kids presents, and his evil shadow is the Krampus, who's a creepy character hiding out in his shadow, of course, with like a big tongue and claws and very grim, evil darkness, and he does horrible things to the children, and you know, from giving them bits of coal to much worse. So that's what we decided to go for. So she's got the prosthetic tongue on her neck. She's going to be all kind of like wintry, foresty, slightly pretty. We just thought we couldn't go completely horrible because it is Professional Beauty, and I'm not really a special effects artist. So that's what we've gone, and I wanted to stick to these muted colours because they're quite wintry, and the little dots of red berries could be blood, they could be holly berries, and that's what we're going for.